Pacific Beach. I had to come check out that Rhythm's Chicken and Waffles. You know, listen, you know your boy ain't scared of no chicken and waffles. I had to come give this a try. I couldn't come along. The boy had to bring you with me. Let's go. Before we get started this food review, let me tell you about the sponsor today. Today's video is sponsored by Yo B. He do vlogs, food reviews, and he do everything else. All you gotta do is hit subscribe, check out his channel. You won't regret it. Let's get back into the video. Alright guys, you guys ready? We at Rhythm Chicken and Waffles. I got a surprise for you. You guys ready? Woo! That right there is the chicken sunrise. Look at that. Look at that. The chicken sunrise. You got chicken waffles and that sunrise. Look at that. Look at the sunrise. Woo! Let's put that up for a second. Woo! Look at that. Look at that thing right there. That thing right there, that's the big kahuna. Look at that. Look at all the nutrients in that thing. Look at all the nutrients. Oh my gosh. Look, we got some good stuff for you today. Look at that. The chicken sandwich. The sriracha chicken sandwich. Woo! Man, I'm so excited to try this, man. We back here in Pacific Beach. Look at that. Dessert. We got them rhythm poppers. Woo! Look at them rhythm poppers. And then we're gonna wash this thing down. This is what we're gonna wash it down with. That swamp water. Woo! Look at that. Oh man, you guys ready? Let's try this. Look, we got the chicken, waffles, got some bacon, egg, sunrise, all that nutrients inside. That's good for your body. Take a bite, another bite. God. You gotta understand that your boy ain't scared enough of chicken and waffles. I'm not scared of no chicken and waffles. Woo! Look at it. Look at the waffle. Hey, this place is good. I'm glad I came back from Pacific Beach and tried this Rhythm Chicken and Waffles. Man, this is really good. If you guys in Pacific Beach, make sure you come check out this chicken and Rhythm's Chicken and Waffles. Let's take another bite of this. And this is a family-owned business too, so come support. I want you guys to take a look at this, all this nutrients. Look at the nutrients. Look at the shiny chicken and waffles. All right. Okay. So now let's check out the big kahuna. Look at the big kahuna. Look at the big kahuna. The big kahuna. All right. So the big kahuna. Like you got some onions in here, some chicken, some of that honey mustard, bacon bites. Look at that. Let's try this. Hey, I'm not gonna lie to you. This place is really, really good. Big kahuna. We got in Pacific Beach. You guys come check out Rhythm's Chicken and Waffles. Get the big kahuna. Look at all the nutrients that's inside. That's good for your body. All this magical stuff. See, when you eat this big kahuna, it does something magical. Something magical to your body and soul. You just get the rhythm and the blues. You know what I'm saying? The big kahuna. Guys, look at the chicken sandwich. Look at the shiny bun. Oh my gosh, you got lettuce, tomato, all the nutrients that's inside, the pickles, the honey mustard, the ranch, and a lot of love. Oh my God, this is so yummy. Let's try it. This, when you take a bite of this yummy chicken sandwich, oh, it's all over the place. It does something magical. And on fly, it does something magical to your body. It's like instant gratification of happiness, and it just does something spiritual. Make sure you come get one of these chicken sandwiches. This is really good. Pacific Beach. Okay. Let's try the dessert real quick. Look at the rhythm poppers. These things is like kind of like a breakfast treat or something. They come with this syrup. Let's dip it in the sauce for the boss. Look at that. See, when you eat these chicken poppers from Rhythm Chicken and Blues or Rhythm Chicken and Waffles, it does something magical to you. When you take a bite, it's like it does something to you again. It makes you forget about all your problems in life and just enjoy the moment of this beautiful, tasty treat. Oh my God, this is so yummy. Look at that. Look a little close up. Look at that. Okay. Now we try all the yummy stuff. Let me wash this down with some of this swamp water. Let's taste it out, guys. Wow. It's swamp water. I never tried swamp water before, but this is pretty good. A little sweet, to be honest. A little sweet, but just check it out. Pacific Beach Rhythm Chicken and Waffles. Come support family-owned business. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Now I got my chicken and waffles. I got the rhythm.